Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Recently, there's a company called PhotoWell. They sent me a wireless Lavalier mic WM9 Pro for a review. So, without talking much, let's get into the fancy box. When you first open up the box, you will see a user manual. There is a transmitter, two receiver. For the current unique Pixel WM9 Pro, it is made by plastic. If you prefer better quality, you should buy the Pixel WM10. There is a horseshoe mount for you to mount your wireless microphones to your camera. As you can see, it is very easy to attach the horseshoe mount to the wireless microphone. In the accessory box, there is an XLR adapter, 3.5mm jack adapter for you to connect the microphone to your camera, and there is also a dev cap. Inside the box, there are two mics, and it surprisingly comes with a smartphone adapter. If you have this adapter, it allows you to connect your wireless microphone to your smartphone. There are also two antennas. Let's put in the battery and turn it on. Hold the on button and it will turn on. When you turn on the device, you can see there are headphone volume, channel, and battery indicator. When you hold the set again, you can control your output volume level. For the Boya, you can control the output volume in the transmitter and also the receiver. But for this Pixel WM9 Pro, you can only control the volume level at the transmitter. At the side of the microphones, you can see there is a mix and ST control. Therefore, you can control the stereo or single tracks. On the right hand side, you can see there is a USB port. Therefore, you can power your wireless microphone with USB port. It is very useful if you have a long recording section. For the receiver, there is a low-cut filter which Boya didn't have. At the right side, it also has USB port. You can power the device with any USB cable.
The voiceover of the unboxing video is recorded through my MacBook Pro with the smartphone adapter. So, how do it compare to recording directly through the computer? Do it sound better or even worse? Now, I'm recording with Pixel WM9 Pro directly through my smartphone with the smartphone adapter. How do it sound like compared to recording directly through the computer?
So hi guys, now you are listening to wireless lavalier mics from Pixel. It is a WM9 Pro. Testing 1, 2, 3. Now you are listening to WM9 Pro.
If you like my video, please consider to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and listening.